Hey, hi guys, Manny here from OG Combat Academy. So right here is a package that's just arrived from Indonesia. Let's see what's inside. Okay. Oh, hmm. Oh, I'm so excited to rip this thing apart. Ha ha ha. Quite heavy. Oh, look at that. Look at these. Right, let's clear this away. Oh, that way actually. There. What do we have here? Spear. 2 spears. Look at that fine leather. Oh, this is beautiful. This is, I think I just caught myself. Yo, we're not gonna take this off, not yet. Look at that. That's my logo there. This is beautiful. It's just a spearhead that I had custom made from my brother Ali in Indonesia. That's what it looks like. This is sharp. Like I said, I just caught myself just now with this, so I have to be careful. I'm not going to unwrap it all, but see, it's what it looks like now. I had 2 made. The black one with the silver edge, as you can see, and then oh yeah, there's this. We'll talk about this later. Then there's the this will be the silver one. Oh, look at that beauty. This is a thing of beauty, and it's heavy. It is heavy. Like, I'd say this here is like 1.5 kilo for this one. This is heavy. There, you can see, custom made and branded with the logo. You can see it there. Oh, this is lovely. Let me take this away. There is the logo. Beautiful. Beautiful. This is 15 inches long. The blade itself, and not adding the so apart from the handle from here to here, has 15 inches by 5 inches. I think the handle adds an extra 18 inches to it from the looks of it. I haven't measured it yet. It's not actually important. What's important is the main bit. So there's 2. The black and the silver. The black is a bit lighter. It's a bit lighter. The silver has got all the weight in. Probably why it's more precious. Wow, this is beautiful. That's where the pole goes in. All right, I'll show you on this one. That's where the pole goes in. So I have to like find a pole for it. Probably a short handle, I'll say, for that to go in. And then play with it. Also here is a karambit. I'm so impatient when opening packages. I like ripping through them. Oh, look at this thing of beauty. Look at that. Right, I think I took out that blade wrong. I didn't do it, in a proper dramatic manner. Let's put it back. Let's put it back and do it in a good way. There, look at that. Look at that. Oh, this is beautiful. Beautiful. Double edge, sharp on both sides. There. And not touching that. I don't wanna see. This is beautiful. Beautiful. And they come with these lovely sheets as well. I think. Oh, and this is a proper leather sheets they come with. If anybody wants something custom made like this, just hit us up and I'll hook you up. I got a guy. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this thing of beauty. Right. Put this back. Damn. It's beautiful. So in the coming videos, you see me playing with these and showing you a few things you can do with these. All right. Take care. Have a good day.